Stahlhart Papercraft.
Hello, I'm Christoph Stahl. I am the founder, owner, manager, designer and only employee of Stahlhart Papercraft. If you don't already know my website, you can have a look at papercraft.stahlhart.net. And in this channel, I want to bring you some kind of videos about paper modeling. And those kind of videos will be basically three kinds of videos. Most important kind will be tutorials. So that will be tutorials on how can you create your own paper model. Because actually, it's much easier than you may think to create a paper model. Today we can do paper models with software. And the software I'm going to introduce is Blender for 3D and Inkscape for 2D. And I will show you how to use this software, what are the most important functions that you need to know to be able to get started with doing your own paper models. And I will also record videos of me working on models, so you can see what I'm doing and learn from that. So this is one thing. Another thing will be where I will introduce new models that I have created and that I'm publishing, and then I will introduce those models, what kind of features do they have, what's great about them. And then another kind of video which is very similar to that one is I will also introduce other models, but those are models who are not designed by me, but models which I have built for my own enjoyment, and where I will tell you what's great about these models and also what maybe not so great, but then also how you can improve this model maybe while you build it, and then you can see if you also may want to build those models. So those are the three kinds of videos, and to finish up this video, let me introduce the three models which I have brought here today. So this one is the Hawker Seahawk, which is of course also the Armstrong Whitworth Seahawk, because later it was produced by that company. And this is the German Navy version, and it even has a pilot in here, which is also available from my website, the pilot. And this is this one. It has you can have the flaps here, and you can also have folded wings. And this was a model which was created totally manual, so this was not created with 3D. It was because up until some years ago I didn't use 3D software. This is a model which is still under development, so this is actually the first test build, and this is the Dornier 28. And as you can see, there's all the interior and everything. And this one has been created with SketchUp, so with another 3D software. But SketchUp is not, at least the versions that I've been using, they're not able to export out the patterns. So they can export the paper model parts, but they cannot export the structures, the artwork which you create. So you cannot, they have a certain disadvantage. So actually Blender is the best choice, and I will also explain why. So this is the Dornier 28, and another one model which is under development. As you can see, this is still the completely white version. This was a test build. It has also still many lines and inscriptions which are only for testing purposes. And this is a really rare subject, because this is actually a Heinkel 111, but this is the Heinkel 111 airliner version with radial engines. And I think there were only 3 of them built in total. So this is a very rare version. Of course, my Heinkel 111 will also have the more common versions. So this is such a test build. And you don't have to build aircraft. I also have figure models. I also have architecture models. And there are pretty interesting that you can do at the paper model. And it's really a fun hobby, and it's very creative, and you have these wonderful creations that come out. And I hope you will enjoy this channel and enjoy the videos, and I hope you will get started in either building or even designing your own paper models. Thank you for watching.